Good morning, students. Today we will do exercise 5.2 and 5.3 of this chapter 5 complex number. The first topic is Argand plane. Now, a complex number is represented as Cartesian rectangular system. Suppose a number is xy, it means x distance is same as in Cartesian coordinate and y distance is this one. So, point pxy is represented by this. So this line from O to P is called modulus that we have calculated in last exercise. It is represented by x square plus y square square root. The x-axis in this case is called a real axis and y-axis is called imaginary axis. Now this is a plane which is having the representation of complex number is termed as or it is called as Argand plane. You can also represent the conjugate of a number. Conjugate of a number x plus iota y will be x minus iota y. Conjugate is x plus iota y is x minus iota y. So it will be exactly the mirror image as you did in the ray optics in class 10th. ये एक मिरर इमेज होती है, जितना ये x है x जो है वो डाउनवर्ड हो जाएगा, जितना y है y डाउनवर्ड हो जाएगा, x सेम रहेगा. So x minus iota y means x or minus y will be the point. The next is the modulus and argument. Argument part is slightly cut because it used in the polar form. We have just definition of this. Z is equal to x plus iota y be a complex number, then mod of z r is x square plus y square under root, and theta which we have in here, theta is the angle with the line modulus line makes with the positive direction of x-axis. So this angle theta is termed as amplitude or argument or amplitude of the complex number. Now we are having mod is real part square plus imaginary part square under root. For any complex number, there exists only one value of theta which lies between 0 to 2 pi. Now if we take the value of theta from minus pi to pi, this is called the principal argument or principal value, or simply it is called argument, or if it lies between 0 to 2 pi, it is argument or amplitude. If lies between minus pi to plus pi, then it is called principal argument and is denoted by argument of z. Now we are having exercise 5.2. You are supposed to find the modulus of the complex number minus 1 minus iota under root 3. So z is real part square plus imaginary part square. It is real part square is 1 minus 1 square is 1 plus 3 4 under root 4 is 2. Similarly, find the modulus of minus under root 3 plus iota. So mod z is minus under root 3 whole square plus 1 square. This is under root 4 again 2. Next is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, everybody knows, if the polynomial is quadratic, it has two zeros. So in general we will say that a polynomial of degree n जिसकी पावर 3 होएगी उसके 3 zeros होंगे, जिसकी पावर 4 होगी उसके 4 zeros होंगे. So a polynomial of degree n has n roots or solutions. Now we will do exercise 5.3. This exercise is similar as you did in class 10th quadratic formula. X square plus 3 is equal to 0. First question. X square is minus 3. X is plus minus under root 3. Under root 3, it is under root 3 into under root 3 into minus of under root 1. So under root 3 as it is, minus under root 3 becomes iota. So it is under root 3 iota. Fifth question is x square. These all questions are similar. X square plus 3x plus 5. You have to find the roots. You have to solve this equation. Similar as in class 10th. A is 1, B is 3, C is 5. Discriminant will be minus 11. So formula of quadratic formula is minus b plus minus under root d by 2a minus 3 plus minus under root 11. Under root 11 minus under root 11 become under root 11 iota. So minus 3 plus under root 11 iota and minus 3 minus under root 11 iota by 2. So this is the similar solution. But you have but you have to put only the sign of iota because of under root d में जो है वो minus sign आ जाता है. Then one more question. Solve x square plus x by root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Take under root 2 LCM. Again calculate d. B square minus 4ac. 1 square minus 4 under root 2 into under root 2. 2 under root 2 under root 2. 4 is 8. 1 minus 8 minus 7. So x is minus 1 plus minus under root 7 by 2 root 2. Minus 1 plus minus under root 7. This will become iota by 2 root 2. So एक बार plus एक बार minus. You are having two roots of this polynomial equation. Next is examples. Some examples are very important before NCERT. Now first is find the modulus of 1 plus iota over 1 minus iota. You have to find modulus. Rationalize this. This is a plus b whole square बन जाएगा 1 square plus iota square plus 2 iota. A plus b a minus b 1 square minus iota square. Put iota square is minus 1. This is cancel. This 1 plus 1 is 2. Answer is iota. So this is 0 plus iota. So modulus find out करने के लिए we have to find the real square plus imaginary square का square root. 0 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 square is 1. Next example number 14. This is very important. X plus iota y is equal to a plus iota b over a minus iota b. We have to prove x square plus y square is equal to. Now, if x plus iota y is equal to a plus iota b over a minus iota b, we have to just rationalize this a plus iota b over a plus iota b. After rationalization, a square formula बन गया a square plus b square plus 2ab. नीचे a square minus b square. On simplification, this is iota square जो है वो minus 1 हो गया, minus b square हो गया ये. तो x plus iota y रियल और इमेजिनरी पार्ट अलग अलग कर दिए. दिस इज़ रियल पार्ट एंड दिस वन इज़ इमेजिनरी पार्ट क्योंकि यहाँ पे iota है. नाउ कॉन्जुगेट अगर इसका ले x माइनस आयोटा वाई तो यहाँ पे आयोटा के साथ वाला साइन जो है वो चेंज कर देना है, माइनस हो गया. देन वी मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू x माइनस आयोटा x प्लस आयोटा, मतलब मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1/2. यू आर हैविंग दिस इनटू दिस. तो यहाँ से देखें अगर तो ये a प्लस बी है, a माइनस बी है, तो a स्क्वेयर आयोटा स्क्वेयर की वजह से a प्लस हो गया plus b square. On simplification you will find that this will be cancel and answer is 1. One more method you can have. X plus iota y is this. You can calculate x minus iota y. This is second one. This is the second one, second method. X minus iota y. X plus iota y is this. So x minus आयोटा वाई जो है वो हो जाएगा a माइनस आयोटा b ओवर a प्लस आयोटा b. सो डायरेक्ट यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय दिस टू गेट x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. ये भी कैंसिल होके 1 हो जाएगा. थैंक यू.